Hello everyone, welcome to the Divine Kitchen. This is Ashna. Today we are going to learn how to make peri peri wraps. These wraps are really healthy because we are going to use beetroot, wheat flour and lot of veggies. So let's start. For making these wraps we need these ingredients. First we are going to make the dough. For making the dough, add the salt in the wheat flour, then oil, beetroot paste. I already made the beetroot paste. I grinded beetroots with the half cup of water as a fine paste, as you can see here. Then knead nicely. If you see still dough is dry, you can add the water as it needed. Make a soft dough. Now dough is ready. Apply 1 teaspoon of oil on the dough. It helps dough not to get dry, and leave the dough for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, we are going to prepare the spices as well as the stuffing. Here I am using the bottle so all the spices will get mixed nicely. Now spices are ready. Next we are going to make stuffing. Pour the oil in the pan. When oil is hot enough, add the corn, all the bell peppers, roast for 2 minutes. This stuffing only takes 5 minutes to make. And then afterward, add the salt. Next, tofu. Mix nicely. Then add the peri peri spices. Here we are going to use only 2 tablespoons of spices. If you really like spicy, then you can add 1 more tablespoon. The spices what we made, it is 3 tablespoons of spices. After that, add the cilantro. Then mix nicely. At the end, we are going to add cornstarch. We are using the cornstarch here so it helps to bind all the vegetables nicely. Now stuffing is ready. Meanwhile, stuffing is getting cooled down. We will make the mayo dressing. I am taking here veganese. It is time to make our wrap chapati or tortilla. Take one part and roll down approximately 7 inches. This dough is little sticky. Sometimes it gets stuck also. When you are rolling down, roll down little slowly. And afterward, if you feel it's little dirty, so you can use the knife and prick all the hard stuff. Now pan is ready. Put the tortilla in the pan. Now you can see small bubbles are there. Now flip one time and then put small amount of oil. If you want to avoid the oil, you can avoid the oil also, but a small amount of oil gives very nice texture. And flip one more time. Now you can see little brown spots are there, so that means this beetroot tortilla is ready. So take out and finish all the tortillas like that. Now it is time to arrange the wraps. First we are going to spread lettuce, then filling, then tomato slices, pomegranate, cilantro, then hot sauce. For getting the hot sauce recipe, please find the link above and add the mayo. Now fold from the both sides. It is really heavy stuffing, so be careful. Now here I am using the parchment paper because if you wrap in the parchment paper, it will create the pocket, so it will be very easy to hold the wrap. So now our peri peri beetroot wraps are ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe or share. Enjoy!